Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, failed to connect to server with error authentication failed because the remote party sent a TLS alert, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So this problem occurs if you have advanced security enabled on your network. So for example, if you have Xfinity Internet, you may have advanced security enabled on your network. So the way you can disable it is you're going to open up your Xfinity app and then you're going to go into home, and once you're into home you're going to click onto advanced security, and once you're in advanced security you're going to open up advanced security under settings then, and after that you'll see a pop-up window on which you're going to click turn off. And once you turn off advanced security, now what you're going to do is you're going to restart your computer, and once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up Hytale, but make sure to run the launcher as administrator. So just right click on Hytale launcher, click run as administrator, click yes on it, and now you can try to play Hytale and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that authentication failed error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.